Alright, so we're going to talk about the distance formula real quick. So this is the formula. We've got d equals x2 minus x1 squared, and then y2 minus y1 squared. So what those little 1s and 2s are, they're just telling you which x and which y to use, because when you're given 2 points, you're given 2 x's and 2 y's. So to distinguish between the 2 x's, we say we have x2 and x1. That just means the second x minus the first x. So in our first point will be x1 and y1. The second point is x2 and y2, just because it's the first and the second. So then what we do is we start filling in our formula here. So we'll have x minus x and y minus y, and we're going to square both of those. So x2 would be negative 6, x1 would be 2, and then for y2 we have 4, and y1 is negative 3. So we're going to go step by step. So first do the 2 subtractings. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. And 4 minus negative 3 is 7. Second step, we're going to do the exponent. So negative 8 squared is 64, and 7 squared is 49. Don't forget, when you square a positive or square a negative, you always end up with a positive number. 64 plus 49 would be 113. Then what you do is you put that in a calculator. So 113. The square root of 113. 10.6301451. If you're asked to round to the 100th, you want 2 numbers. If you're asked to round to the 10th, you want 1 number after the decimal. If it says round to a whole number, you would just do 11, because 10.6 rounded up to a whole number would be 11. Alright, but we're rarely going to do that. You're most often going to see 100th or 10th. Those are the 2 common ones. So 100th is 2 numbers, 10th is 1 number. That is the